how are you all? So today we are on day 27 of our 45 days compost challenge, and we have a friend who is going to join us today. So let me just try and invite her. Just a moment. Hi Sabari, are you here? Yeah, hi. I have sent you an invitation to join me. Can you please come live? Are you getting any invitation? Please type in the comments. Are you getting any invitation? Oh, I don't know why it's saying, but it's saying connection failed. Let me try again. I have resent you invitation. Can you see it? Oh no, it's not really working. Let me try and figure out another medium tomorrow, and let me try to bring you online tomorrow. So I'll just continue with my today's work, and just give me a sec. Hello. So I don't know, it's something very new for me also, which I'm trying to join you guys in my life. So today Sabari, sorry for misspelling you, Sabari. So she was going to join us today, but it didn't perhaps happen. Let me try out another way to add her in my live session tomorrow. And if it really works out, it will be really great. And then each day we can have a member from the group who can join me during this live. So today's work is to mark here plus day 27. And yeah, today I have lots of wet waste. So I have bigger chunks also. So this is banana pindi, it's called banana stem. So these are the husks, and I guess I can do something good with this. Let me just try and research. So for time being, I'll just keep it to sun dry more, and I'll just separate out the larger chunks like the cauliflower stem and all, and I'll sun dry them completely, which will take maybe 2 to 3 days, and then I'll add it in my compost bin. So the rest of it I'll just add now. Yeah, so it's like such big chunks. These are also a type of leaves, so once it is sun dried, it can be even used as the brown matter, as per my knowledge, because of course we use dried leaves. So I'll try and sun dry them and use as a brown matter for my from my compost. Okay, so the bigger chunks I'll keep for further sun drying in this basket only, this colander, and close this lid. Let me just give it a mix also. Because it's been quite a few days that we have been using this bin. So we are done for today, and happy composting. Have a great day ahead and love you all. Bye. See you.